Guys, today is the day. We are going to have massive volatility in the crypto market in just a couple of hours, and I am going to show you exactly how I am intending on playing this, my game plan for making massive profits with this volatility. If there is any video you will want to watch today, it is this one. I'm going to go through everything you need to know so you don't lose money and you also make a lot of money. So yes, guys, welcome back everybody. My name is Chris, bringing you cryptocurrency videos every day, teaching you how to make money in this market. If you are new to the channel, then make sure to subscribe and activate the bell right now. And guys, where we left off yesterday, we were talking about how I felt like this was a point for Bitcoin where we would see a rejection, and on the balance of probabilities, I thought that we were going to continue to range here and that we were going to see Bitcoin come down. Now, right after my video, we actually did see a massive red candle. So although I was expecting Bitcoin to go down, I was not expecting it to happen right after my video. So if you made some profits based on that video, congratulations to you. But look at this. Where did we go down? We went down, right down to my orange support box here. So this is what I've been trying to tell you guys. This is the way to trade this market right now. This is a trader's market. And right now we've been making some insane profits because buying up here, taking profit inside of the orange box, that's 8%. Shorting from this level, since we're expecting Bitcoin to go down from this point, that's another 7%. And then, boom, we had an opportunity here. That's 4%. This one, another 8%. And of course, if you shorted from this level, 8%. So if you add all of those, it's like 40, 50% or so, which is, of course, a very nice profit just in a couple of 1 week or 2 weeks. Approximately. So if you've been trading this volatility and my videos have been helping you like that, well, make sure to subscribe, activate the bell, smash up the likes if you're already subscribed. I am going to continue to bring you these. So if you are sitting in a Bitcoin trade right now, you got in at the edge of the orange box here, you are sitting at profit already. But this is the way I see it. Of course, today is a little bit special because we do have these CPI numbers being released. So we can have massive volatility to the downside. We can have massive volatility to the upside. So what can we expect here? So today could be strong enough for us to... So, okay, let me take this from the beginning first. So the previous inflation numbers were 9.1% over the last year. Now, I am expecting the inflation numbers to start to come down. And that is also what is expected here. You can see we're expecting it to come down to 8.7%. So let's say the inflation comes in at 8%. That could be a very, very strong move for Bitcoin, guys. So you have to be careful here. If you're intending on shorting, as we are getting up here to $24,000, just realize that the momentum from that event could be enough for us to pump straight up to 26. And this is a level also where I am intending on shorting Bitcoin. Now, when I say this, guys, again, I have to make this clear for those of you who have been watching my videos, you already know. Long term, things are looking super good for Bitcoin. Macro, we're still looking at Bitcoin with a massive long position from these levels here. As we were down at these levels, I was always saying long term, every indicator is showing us that this is the time to buy. But what I'm talking about today is some short-term trades, just these swing trades. The way we like to make profit on these short-term trades is by just using the most simple ways, using the support levels, using the resistance levels. So we have the first resistance here at 24,400, and then we have the second one at 26,300. So these are levels to take profit at. And yes, buying down here. I mean, if we have a negative event, then, maybe, this level is still going to be pretty strong. But again, just like I said, today's move could be big. So that could be enough if we have a negative reaction here to come down to $20,000. And buying down at $20,000, if you get the opportunity, I think is a very, very good, not financial advice, but from a risk to reward standpoint, it could be something you should definitely think about. And where should you be trading Bitcoin and any altcoins? Well, of course, you do have Bybit where you are able to claim $4,530, and also you have Femex, so 4,500 over on Femex. Is there anything else we need to pay attention to? Yes, of course there is. So we do have this massive support level here as well. This is at call it 22,500. So if we do see a reaction to the downside, expect this to be support for Bitcoin as well. We're watching this. This one I was showing you yesterday and a couple of days ago as well. This has been doing a good job of supporting Bitcoin. Right now we are below it. So let's see if we can come down to... This is also pointing towards a level like $20,000 here. based on the breakdown from this level. But again, we do have some massive macro forces playing out today. So I wouldn't just look myself blind on this pattern, so to speak. There's more to it. We still have to understand that what's coming later today could be enough for us to propel into this pattern again. And then we could even, like if we extend this, we could see a touch of this level again here. So we're watching that. Finally, on Bitcoin, I want to show you this. This was on the hourly time frame. I showed you this like yesterday, and we broke down from this. But look at this. If we extend this, you can see where we are right now, kind of. So you can see that we went down here, boom, and we are right now struggling with getting above this level again. So this is one example of how previous trend lines who have been very strong, they continue to be relevant even after the pattern seems to already be over here. So that's interesting. The traditional markets are looking decent. Went down to the level here at 4,113. Have a big bounce here. Again, depending on the reaction of the market here in just a couple of hours, this could be very, very different. Or not a couple of hours. It's like, well, 1 p.m. US time. So it's quite a bit off. But nonetheless, it's going to happen today. And if we break down from this level, that is not a good sign, because you can see that the next level of support for the traditional markets is all the way down at 3,950. All in all, guys, this is my strategy. I am going to take profit of the short-term trades as we go up here to 24,300. If we do that, I love to play these support and resistance levels, guys. This is how we can, with a high degree of certainty, make consistent profit here. But also, of course, make sure to use a tight stop loss. If you are taking a risk and shorting right here, always use a tight stop loss so you don't lose out too much if the trade goes the opposite direction. Guys, that is what I got for you today. I hope that you enjoyed today's video. I will continue to bring you these things, so make sure to subscribe and activate the bell. Let's continue to make profit here during the short-term volatility. I will also bring you the long-term opportunities, of course, which I have always been doing. Thank you so much for watching this video. I will see you in the next one.